more please. थोड़ा सा.
Excuse me, show me that poster,
Can you
please.
please?
Yeah, come this side.
Massive crowd here. Kailash, say a few words, please.
I would like to request all the residents of Mirandane Estate to understand that this is a wetland, it is not a garden. It depends on, at least today, on Environment Day, people need to look at this place from the eyes of the biodiversity, from the eyes of those who are living there. They are voiceless, they cannot voice their concerns. It is up to us to raise their voice in front of everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Please stand in a queue. Everyone, please stand in a queue. You can hold hands.